Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the split screen view on your Samsung S25 Ultra. This feature allows you to use two apps side by side in real time. You can watch a video while replying to messages, read an article while taking notes, or browse the web while comparing items in another app. So let me show you how to turn on the split screen view on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here first you go ahead and open up the settings, scroll down and find advanced features. From here, scroll down and find multi-window, and here you need to go ahead and turn these features on. So here you need to go ahead and press home. Now let's just say, for example, you want to watch TikTok and you want to go ahead and open up maybe notes. So let's go ahead and activate the split screen mode. So we have TikTok and we have notes. So in order to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on the task manager, and here I want to go ahead and select notes, tap on notes. And now I can go ahead and tap on open in split screen view. So once I've selected that, I can go ahead and choose my second app. So I'll choose my second app as TikTok. And here I can go ahead and type in my notes. And in the bottom window here, I can go ahead and watch all these TikTok videos. So this basically transforms your phone into a true multitasking device, similar to tablet or PC. So this is especially useful for productivity, research, or even managing multiple tasks without switching apps constantly. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the split screen view on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.